Hey, what's up, everyone? Hey, good evening. It's okay. How you been, Isaac? I'm glad to hear. How's the Discord and Pokemon been going for you? Very fun. Awesome. So what did you do yesterday instead of watch the stream? Oh, nice. What anime were you watching? Hey, good evening. How's it going? No rush. We're not going anywhere. I'm setting up Bulwark right now. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. How do you like the anime? Awesome. Awesome. All right, we got 5 people in the chat. So here's your Bulwark right now. Can you solve these two problems? Give me an F in the chat room when you're done. Hey, what's up, James? I have like 3 James. Which James are you? Awesome. I've got one person done. Um, 3 and -2 and X. And then this one is 3 times Y plus 18. James E. All right. Mm. Doop-a-doo. Sorry, James, but you're spamming the room. I gotta put you in timeout real fast. All right, so the answer for this one is 3x, and this is negative 2x. And the answer for number 2 3 times y. So we got 3, we've got y, so that's 3y. And then what's 3 times 18, everyone? Well, don't worry, Quarplarp. I timed out James, so it's all good. Also, Quarplarp, which student are you? Because I don't know by your username. Three times 8 is 24. Carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 54. Oh, awesome. I've got some old students here. So our answer is 3y plus 54. And this one right here, just to simplify it, will be 3x minus 2x. And all together, when we group like terms, if I got 3 x's and I lose 2 x's, our answer is 1x for number 1. Type in F if you're done copying this down. Thank you, guys. Hey, Util Glass. Mine asks, which student are you? Thanks, Dom. Thanks, Isaac. All right, Ileana, are you done? All right, cool. So for today's objective, what I'm going to do is we're going to do yesterday's lesson. And Isaac and Dom and Ileana, I think you guys kind of remember using those rectangles, the distributive property. Well, what we're going to do is we'll use the distributive property and we're going to solve them with our algebra. So here's what it's going to look like. I'll do. So this is example number 1. And we're going to write down. All right, so check this out. Here's example 1. This says 5 times y plus 5 equals 55. And there's a couple ways that we can solve this problem. we're going to draw our line through the middle. And when we do that, we've got our left side and we've got our right side. Here's technique number one. So I'll call this technique number one. This is 5 times y plus 5 equals 55. So when we do algebra, we do the opposite of PEMDAS. And we want to get rid of that plus 5. But because we can't touch the plus 5 because it's inside this parentheses, so we need to get rid of parentheses. Parentheses in algebra, is like multiplication. So I'll draw a line underneath right here to show my division, and I'll draw a line underneath here. So put 5 right here and 5 right here. What's going to happen is this, is I'm going to cross out this 5, and I'll cross out this 5. Now what happens on the left-hand side is the y and the plus 5 are freed up. So I've got y plus 5. Then I've got 55 divided by 5, and that's going to be 11. Now, from here, we can just subtract by 5 because I want to get the plus 5 away. So I subtract by 5, and I subtract by 5. The 5's cancel out, and I have y equals 6. My line isn't the straightest, but I mean, it is a train track still anyway. So, yeah. What's up, Soda? So that's what. Dom, Ileana, thank you. While you're waiting, write down Tech 2, because I'll show you a second way of looking at this. And this is one kind of cool way that I think algebra is kind of awesome. Hey, Soda, which student are you? All right, so here's technique number 2. Jeff. All right. So technique number 2, what we're going to do is we'll still draw the line through the middle. But what we could do is this. Another way that you could look at this is you can distribute 5 times y and 5 times 5. So what we'll do on the side is this. I'll draw a rectangle right here. I'll write down 5, y, and 5, and I'll rewrite 55 right here. Next up, what we'll do is we'll find the area. So we have 5y, 5 times y is 5y, and 5 times 5 is 25. So now we can get everything inside our rectangles and write down 5y plus 25 equals 55. So now this looks like what we've seen before in our algebra technique. I want to get y by itself. 5 times y plus 25. So I'll subtract 25 on the left, and I'll subtract 25 on the right. The 25s go away, and 55 minus 25 gets us 30. So we have 5 times y equals 30. So the opposite of times 5 is divide by 5. And y, again, will get us 6. I'll do 2 more examples. After the 2 more examples, I'll give you 4 problems. Hey, what's up, Xander? Type in F once you've got down technique number 2 of example 1. Isaac, Dom, thanks. What's up, Xander? I mean, this is a stream, so you can like go whenever, and once the stream is over, you can just rewatch whatever part you're missing. All right, cool. Most kids are done. So this is example 2. Example 2, I'm going to have 28 equals 3 times j plus 5. So again, while you guys write this down, can you get some room and write down Tech 1 and Tech 2 for Technique 1 and Technique 2. All right, so Tech 1. I'll draw a line through the middle. Oh, who is that? Phoenix Sun? Isaac. Honestly, I'm still dragging my feet when it comes to Zoom. It's not mandated by my boss, and they don't mind me using YouTube. Again, this just worries me about some of the security. I do know a couple of my friends at the last charter school told me that their school's not using Zoom. So right now, I'm just holding that off. So here's what we'll do. This is 3 times j plus 5. I'll divide this by 3, and I'll divide this by 3. What happens now is the 3's go away. I'm left with j plus 5. What happened? Don't worry about the distractions. I've moderated some people. and other kids have been like timed out or put on permanent mute. So I'm watching the chat through my cell phone, so like I can tell if people are spamming or not. Maybe. All right. So let's not get distracted. Let's do 28 divide by 3. 3 goes into 28. What is that? 9 times, because that's 27, and I have a leftover of 1. What's going to happen with this 1 right here is my remainder goes in the numerator, and the number on the outside, the 3, goes in the denominator. So now I have this. I feel targeted and annoyed low key. I'm sorry. I'm pretty sure no people can like bug or harass you. Just mainly focus on me. And if you see anyone like trolling or like spamming or crap posting, I'll just moderate them. So right now we've got 9 and 1/3 equals J plus 5. So what we'll do is we'll subtract 5 on the right side and we'll subtract 5 on the left side. What we should get then, as the 5s go away, 4 and 1/3 equals J. When you're done copying, type down F. Dominic, Isaac, thank you. Eliana, can you get this done, hon? Congratulations. Wait, what happened, Isaac? Hmm. Oh, retracted. All right, that's something different. All right. Eliana, you still there? All right. Well, here we'll go into the. Aw. How does your family deal with like grocery shopping and everything? I get kind of paranoid when I go out grocery shopping, and I've been buying in bulk, trying not to like go outside too much. Um, dang, I forgot. I just erased the numbers. Can someone type in chat what the numbers were for example two? 28 and 3. All right. So it was like 28, and there was what, J and 3, and what was the other number? Sorry, I was trying to moderate. So 28 was on the left, and then it was, what was it? Wasn't it like a 15? So it was 3 times J plus, let's make this a 15. Oh, no, 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 no. It was a 5, wasn't it? It was 18. So it looked like this. What's up, Ryan Sam? Oh, Ryan from last year? How's it going? Yeah and no. What do you mean, yeah, no? Yes to the 18? Hey, David. All right. So I got a bunch of other kids in here. So good, good. So here's what we're gonna do. We'll draw a line through the middle. It was 5. All right, cool. All right, and what we'll do is we'll draw a rectangle for step 2. So the big difference between Tech 1 and Tech 2 is you could divide out the 3 right away. And technique number 2 is perfectly legitimate to just distribute or multiply in the 3 in, into everything. So 3, J, and 5. So this is 3J, and this gets me 15. So what happens is this. I get 28 equals 3J plus 15. So now we can solve this like how we did earlier in the chapter. We'll subtract 15 on the right, and we'll subtract 15 on the left. The 15s go away, and I've got 3J, and 28 minus 15 will get me 13. 3 is divided on both sides, and what we're going to get is this. 3 goes in the 13 4 times. 4 and 1/3 equals J. So it's the same answer. It just the first step is a little bit different. All right, this is the last example for tonight. The last example you guys will do on your own. I want you guys to do both techniques. So example 3. If you can copy down this right here. And I'll go over it again. If you can do both techniques on this one problem. Anyway, it's kind of interesting. I have like what 9 people come into my stream, and I've had to like kind of mute 3 students. So guys, can you not be inappropriate and like cuss in my chat and do all that stuff? It's kind of annoying. We're just in here to just do some math work. And I know there was one kid saying, Mr. Lee, I'm doing the math, but you can't be swearing in my room. Even though it's an online chat room, still treat it with like some mutual respect or something. Um, Anyway, I'm done streaming. This is gonna be a long stream, so it's gonna take my computer a little bit longer to upload it. So if you missed any prompts, just go back and probably like tomorrow morning, and you can find this video uploaded or the stream uploaded. Anyway, make sure you go on to Alex, and I'll talk to you guys later. So have a good night.